Hello James, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're doing something important today. I know, transgenderism is important, no, but this is very important. DKMS is an organisation that works together to work at beating blood cancers, and it was brought to my attention by Al Murray, the pub landlord. Very good comedian. That's besides the point. And one of his relatives is suffering from a type of blood cancer, and he wanted to raise awareness to get more people taking the test in order to see if they are suitable for anybody. Well, your girl has kind of asked for some swabs, and this is what we're going to do. Open the packaging, take out the cotton swabs, making sure not to touch the cotton with your fingers, and you need to use each swab only once. Instructions are inside the little envelope here. You need to rub the tip of the first swab in along the inside of your cheek, applying some pressure for at least 60 seconds. That also includes the folds of the upper and lower jaw. Okay? You need to make sure you get enough cheek cells, not just saliva, on the swab. You then do your second cotton bud on the other cheek, and in your third one, so they give you 3, you can pick either cheek. You then need to leave them to dry for 5 minutes before putting them into the envelope without the plastic packaging. So that's what we're going to do now. First one, in an up and down motion, left cheek.
Question kind of hard to say so. Good for a minute. Let's spin it all in there. Like glue in there. This is good video quality. This is good video quality. I'm losing some time with this. Really good one there. That takes forever.
Okay, so that's the first one. You put that down there. Second one. Done this cheek, we're going to do this one.
Alright.
Okay. Makes you feel sick because you poking into your mouth for quite a while. Not a fan of that. But we're doing good things for good people. And the last one, I can go back to this cheek. Message came from Facebook, but that doesn't matter. Okay. So we now need to leave them to dry for 5 minutes. And then when we put them into this envelope, they do give you barcodes so you can keep track of where each samples come from. Because obviously if you match to somebody, they'll want to contact you to see if you're willing to donate. Whatever it is, I think it's marrow. I know that can be quite painful, but I don't care. I'm helping people, that's what matters. And then it goes inside here, gets sent away. So I do recommend you look up DKMS online, get their website and request a pack yourself, because you never know, you could end up saving somebody's life. Thank you guys, and remember, we can change the world with 3 simple words: reason, logic and compassion. Have a good night everyone.